The Managed Forest Tax Incentive Program, or in a nutshell, MFTIP, is a program designed to provide fair taxation for landowners that want to keep forests on their property. And it can reduce landowners' taxes for the forested component of their property by at least 75%.
So in the province of Ontario, there's a program called the Managed Forest Tax Incentive Program. And this is a program where rural landowners with more than 10 acres of forest can get a break on their taxes because they're managing their forest. A lot of landowners are now using the 50 million tree program to increase their forested area or to get enough forested area to get into the program. So if you're in a part of Ontario with really high assessments, the tree planting is paid for in 2 years.
It's a fantastic program. We need to have more programs like it as incentives for landowners to keep forests on their land. There's certainly, especially in southern Ontario, all sorts of pressures on our forests. You know, we've got development pressures, we've got agricultural pressures, housing pressures. So in this way, you know, hopefully it's a little bit that we can do for that landowner to keep those forests there.